What's up guys, this is Eddie with WTI. Now for all of you that love to hit the gym, get those muscles going, lift those weights, you know you have to protect those muscles afterwards. And a good way that I do is by taking MuscleTech 100% whey protein. Now this protein, not only does it taste good, it's got a great chocolate flavor to it, but it's full of good things for you. Like it's got 24 grams of protein in each scoop. It's got BCAAs that help with muscle recovery. And I've noticed a big difference when I lift. Now, the way I use it is by blending it. I like to make a smoothie and I'll probably add a banana, maybe some strawberries, because it goes very well with the chocolate flavor. And it tastes fantastic. Overall, I've noticed that my recovery time is a lot faster. I feel really good, and I can even do it as a meal replacement. So this product is really recommended by me. And the fact that it comes in a 5-pound tub means that there's a lot of servings in here. About 70 servings, which is really good for your money. So overall, highly recommend this product, and I love it, and I think you will too. That's my point of view.